Second subdivision, sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A is equal to 2. So let us take LHS first. LHS is sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A. So here we have plus sign and different denominators. So we have to take LCM for simplification. So in the numerator, sin cube A plus cos cube A into, here we have sin A plus cos A, so we have to multiply by sin A minus cos A in the numerator. Sin A minus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A into, here we have sin A minus cos A, so we have to multiply by sin A plus cos A to the numerator. So into sin A plus cos A divided by, see here when we take LCM we get sin A plus cos A into sin A minus cos A. It is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So we can write this as A square minus B square. So I am just going to apply this identity. We get sin square A minus cos square A. So now just multiply each and every term inside the brackets. So here and here. Okay. We get sin cube A into sin A. Minus sin cube A cos A plus cos cube A into sin A, here minus cos cube A into cos A is cos power 4A plus, similarly here just multiply each and every term. We get sin cube A into sin A is sin power 4A and plus sin cube A cos A and minus cos cube A sin A minus cos power 4A divided by sin square A minus cos square A. So see here in the numerator we have minus sin cube A cos A and plus sin cube A cos A. So we can just cancel it out. And similarly plus cos cube A into sin A and minus cos cube A into sin A. So just cancel it out. The balance are just 4 terms. Here sin cube A into sin A is sin power 4A minus cos power 4A plus sin power 4A minus cos power 4A divided by sin square A minus cos square A. So we can write this as we have 2 sin square terms and we have 2 cos power 4 terms. So 2 sin power 4A minus 2 cos power 4A divided by sin square A minus cos square A. So see here, take 2 as common, we get sin power 4A minus cos power 4A divided by sin square A minus cos square A. Here the sin power 4A can be written as sin square A the whole square. that is equal to sine power 4a. So I'm going to write this as 2 into sine square a the whole square. Similarly, for cos power 4a, we can write this as cos square a the whole square divided by sine square a minus cos square a. So see here in the numerator, it is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is sine square a and similarly b is sine square a. Sorry, cos square a. So 2 into first a plus b. So we get sine square a plus cos square a into next is a minus b. That is sine square a minus cos square a divided by sine square a minus cos square a. Now we can just cancel these two terms, and we know that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We know this identity. We are going to apply this identity. 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So see here, this what we have to prove, equal to 2. Therefore, this is equal to RHS